Idol, I'm 18 years old. Okay ba sa akin na mag-mutant mass kasi gusto ko mag-gain ng weight dahil payat ako? 18 ka na, tapos skinny ka, gusto mo mag-gain ng weight, okay ang mutant mass. Haluan mo na rin ng working out. Kumbaga, lift with weights, proper form, 10 reps, proper breathing, resistance training, progressive overload. The more muscles you have, the more na magiging ka ng size, ng strength, ng weight, ng healthy weight, ng weight na functional, for longevity, for good health. Kasi ang muscles, para yung pump ng katawan. Ganda yung ikot ng blood flow mo. At the same time, the more muscles you have, the more calories you burn. So dapat mas marami kang kinakain, naka-surplus ka. Haluan mo na rin ng walking for good digestion para makakain ka, matunaw na katawan mo, ma-absorb. Yung iba kasi kain ng kain, mal-absorption, hindi na-absorb. Tandaan nyo, tama kayo, mali kami. We're not your doctors. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy.